gentlemen, welcome back to day number 2 of Riot. You guys excited? You have an extra hour of sleep. You guys should be ready and awake. This is practically a Sunday. Oh, it is a Sunday morning. It's a Sunday morning. Well, let's hear you guys. You guys ready for Riot 20? There we go. We had a crazy day yesterday. We got through 40 qualification matches. We got a chance to have a little bit of fun in between. Lunchtime, drone demos. Hung out here at beautiful Wissahickon High School last night for some social events. Today, we're going to wrap up the last 20 qualification matches. We're going to move into our alliance selections, followed by our playoffs this afternoon, and hopefully wrap it up in time to hand out some awards and have everyone head out around 4:30 or 5 o'clock today. So it should be a lot of fun, and stay tuned for other activities we might be doing today as we announce them throughout the competition. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like you all to please rise and remove your caps for our national anthem.
What's so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we were so gallantly streaming, and again to England the bombs bursting in air gave through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. All right, DJ, let's get the music pumping. We're going to get our final team out onto the field and connected up. We'll be starting up match 8, number 41, in just a moment.